Good morning to each and everyone. I am Norasmati Ambia of Best Ed Math 1 and I am your reporter for today. I will be going to report the Module 7 which tackles about the individual differences. Okay, so under the Module 7, our topic that we're going to discuss is about the Triarchic theory. So the Triarchic theory is proposed or developed by Robert Sternberg, which is a psychologist, and ang pinapag-aralan niya is kung paano mag-isip ang isang tao or the human intelligence and the creativity. At this point, let us know the three major components of intelligent behavior. First, information processing skills. Second, experience with the given task or situation. And last is the ability to adjust one's behavior to the demands of a context. Information processing skills requires to encode, combine, and compare varying kinds of information. In information processing is how individual perceive, analyze, manipulate, use, and remember information. So kapag daw ang isang tao ay madali niya lang maalala or ma-cope up yung mga information tungkol sa mga bagay-bagay, it means that he or she has the skills of information processing kasi yung utak niya ay madali lang ma-absorb or maalala niya yung mga information na mga narinig niya. Like for example, in class, your teacher asks you regarding what have you learned on your lesson. So if you are going to answer that question, it means that you are information processing skills. Kasi naalala mo yung mga pinagsasabi ng teacher mo during class discussion. Kasi you have the information processing skills. So next is experience. An individual can automate information over repeated experiences in doing a task. Yes, we all know that experience is the best teacher and experience is a big advantage to each and everyone. So, there is a relative differences in intelligence between performance of one who has experience doing a particular task for years than one who has not. Like for example, in job application, there is a situation that there are two people applying in a particular job. So, yung isa is maraming experiences or job experiences while yung isa is walang job experience. So, kung sino yung may experience is mas may opportunity siya or mas may chance siya na matanggap sa trabaho na yun because lalo na sa sistema ng Pilipinas is mas binibigyan talaga ng chance yung may mga experiences. Kasi nga, sila yung mas may alam na tungkol sa paggawa ng trabaho na yun or ng job na yun. So next is context accept the view that people function according to different situation and try to adapt the demands of a situation and shaping other situations as necessary to meet their own needs. So this major components intelligent behavior is kung paano ang tao is na-adapt niya yung situation. Kumbaga, paano niya nagagawa ng paraan yung isang situation at paano siya nakikipag-deal sa other situation. Sometimes, it depends on the situation that makes you become more intelligent. Kasi may mga situation talaga in which is nagpa-function talaga yung utak natin and we are hyper of thinking a particular way on how to resolve the problem or situation. The next thing will be the three types of human intelligence. So these three types of human intelligence is the highlight of this discussion because Triarchic theory evolves in these three types of human intelligence: the analytical, the creative, and the practical intelligence. Analytical abilities refers to the power to apply logical reasoning and arrive at the best answer to a question. So, in analytical abilities, kapag ang isang tao ay maanalisa, nabibilong siya sa analytical abilities. Especially dito na nahuhulog yung mga magagaling sa math problems, academic performances, and computation. Ang example nito is kapag isa kang estudyante na or isa kang tao na magaling mag-solve ng math problems, kumbaga titignan mo lang yung yung question is you are able to arrive at the best answer to it. Ibig sabihin, meron kang pag-iisip na analytical abilities kasi madali mo lang na-analyze yung isang problem para sagutan. So, if you are like that, you are belong to analytical ability. Creative abilities or creative intelligence is when we becoming more creative and innovative. In creative abilities is when we apply or when we think of a bright ideas. Like for example, there is a situation na nasa school ka and suddenly nasa labas ka ng school or ng campus and hindi mo na malaya na time nyo na pala. And then, naiwan yung mga gamit mo sa loob ng room nyo and which is nalock na pala yung pinto ng room nyo. And now, dahil gusto mo kunin yung mga gamit mo, you come up to ideas na kukuha ka ng stick para abutin yung gamit mo at idadaan mo lang sa bintana. So, dahil naisip mo yon, it means that ang pag-iisip mo is nabibilong sa creative abilities. In practical abilities or the practical intelligence is when you use your knowledge or your common sense. From the word itself, practical, meaning nagiging practical ka mag-isip. Nagiging wise ka at mas pinipili mo yung mga bagay na nakakatulong sa'yo. Actually, in real life situation, being practical intelligence is nakakatulong sa atin ito para mas piliin yung mga bagay na mas useful at meaningful. Especially kapag kung anong pipili natin between our needs and wants. An example of practical abilities or intelligence is when you go to mall or market and you want to buy new cell phone. Of course, as an excellent consumer or buyer, you prefer to buy cell phones in which is high price but high quality than low price and then low quality. So, at least sa high price but high quality is tatagal siya and long lasting and original yung makukuha mong brand ng cellphone compared to low price nga siya but then yung quality niya is very low, kumbaga hindi tatagal or madali lang siya masira. So if you are having that thinking, it means that you are belong to practical intelligence.